Hi everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this week's video is a follow-on actually to last week's video. Last week we did a video on taking the second exit when the second exit is the left lane and you are going straight ahead at a standard 4-lane roundabout, second exit being straight ahead. You use the left lane, and the point we were making is that you follow the normal course of staying in the left lane once you enter the roundabout, staying out around the outside, and then signalling left and leaving the roundabout. Now, this prompted one of my students who watched the video to say, Sean, I see another problem at the roundabouts that maybe you should do a video on, which I was delighted about actually, because I'm always, try to think what would people be interested in. And this relates to the lanes that you use as you approach the roundabout, the left and the right hand lane. And what happens, especially at smaller roundabouts, that a lot of people approaching, particularly in the right lane, are inclined to move slightly into the left lane, which, as you can see here, is encroaching on the other car space. Also, people in the left lane, especially if it's a narrow mouth of a roundabout, tend to move out a little bit because you're looking in this direction over to the right as you approach the roundabout. So you're inclined to move out to the right and encroach on the other person's lane. So the bottom line is this line here, which divides the two lanes, which I'm marking now very heavily, you should consider to be a wall. And really, you should have no reason to cross that wall. So I want people now to focus on staying in their own lane as they approach the roundabout. So let's do a left turn first of all. You approach, you turn slightly to the left. You're following the line of the curb always, if you're going around to the left. And off you go in the left lane and leave the roundabout. The same would apply if you're turning to the right. You stay in the right lane approaching, and again you do not cross into the left hand lane into the roundabout in the right hand lane, holding the right hand lane then all the way around. Check your mirrors signal and come off to the third exit. So that's another one to really be careful of, that you hold your own lane as you approach a roundabout, no matter what exit you intend to take. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any thoughts and any other videos you'd like us to make, please get in touch. Check out more on our website, PassFirstTime.ie, and our podcast as well, Pass First Time. Till next week, slán for now. Bye-bye.